What if you could make $10,000 in real estate without buying a property, without a mortgage, and without any of your own money? That's wholesaling. And in 30 days or less, a complete beginner can close their first deal. Let me show you exactly how it works. What is wholesaling? Wholesaling real estate is simple. Here's the concept. You find a property that's being sold below market value, usually a distressed property or a motivated seller. You put it under contract. Then you sell that contract to a cash buyer, an investor, for more than you have it under contract for. The difference is your profit. You never own the property. You never get a mortgage. You're just the middleman. And middlemen get paid very well in real estate. Example, you find a house worth $150,000. You get it under contract for $100,000. You sell the contract to an investor for $110,000. You just made $10,000 in one transaction. Step 1. Find motivated sellers. The whole game is finding sellers who need to sell fast. These are people going through foreclosure, divorce, inherited properties, or landlords tired of managing tenants. Where to find them? Driving for dollars? Look for rundown properties? Write down addresses? Direct mail campaigns, bandit signs, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist for sale by owner, and skip tracing services. Your opening message is always the same. I'm a cash buyer in the area. Would you consider an offer on your property? Step 2. Analyze the deal. Once you have a lead, you need to calculate the maximum allowable offer, MAO. The formula. MAO equals after repair value times 70%, minus repair costs, minus your assignment fee. After repair value, ARV, is what the property is worth fully fixed up. Find this on Zillow or by looking at recent comparable sales in the neighborhood. Repair costs. You don't need to be a contractor. Walk the property and estimate rough numbers, or bring an investor you know to give an opinion. Don't overthink this at the start. Step 3. Build your cash buyers list. You need buyers before you have deals. This is the step most beginners skip. Your cash buyers are local real estate investors, fix and flip operators, and landlords. Find them at local REIA, Real Estate Investors Association, meetups, Bigger Pockets forums, and Facebook groups. When you close your first deal, these are the people you're selling to. Step 4. Close the deal. Once you have a property under contract and a buyer lined up, a title company or real estate attorney handles the closing. They handle the paperwork, the money transfer, and they issue your assignment fee check. Note: wholesaling regulations vary by state. Always use a contract reviewed by a local real estate attorney. Some states require a real estate license for wholesaling. Check your local laws first. Wholesaling is the fastest way to make real money in real estate with zero capital. It's not easy. You'll hear no a lot before you hear yes. But your first $10,000 deal will change how you see money forever. Drop a comment. What city or market are you in? I might be able to give you specific tips. Subscribe for more real estate strategies every week. Zero fluff, zero experience required.